How to share big video files online. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. Over here, I have two options for you guys, and you can choose whichever one fits you best, because I'm going to explain which one of these is best used for. So for the very first one is WeTransfer. Now, if I click on WeTransfer, it's extremely easy and fast to share your videos, but it says up to 2 GB for free. So if you click on increase limit, you could, for example, go to the pro one and send and receive up to 200 GB, which is even more, but you obviously have to pay for it. So if you have videos that are large but under 2 GB, then WeTransfer is the best option in my opinion. You simply upload files, add the email to, add your email, add a title and message, and then simply click on transfer. The second way in order to share bigger video files is simply Google Drive. Now, if you search for Google Drive and then click on here and open it up, this is basically how it will look like. Now, the thing is with Google Drive is that you actually have a storage up to 15 GB. But keep in mind that this storage is actually also your storage for your whole Google account. So also your Gmail. So what you could, for example, do is if you have an email address which you don't use, or you can create a new email address, you basically have the full 15 GB storage basically for free. So this means is that you can upload almost a 15 GB video file. And once you have done that, so let's say this is a, for example, 10 GB video file. I mean, it is not, as you can see, it's only 100 MBs, but let's say it is, then what you can then do is simply right click on this, click on share, then click on share again. And here you can basically, you basically have two options. You can either add that person's email in here. So you basically send it via email, or what you can do is where it says general access, you can change it to anyone with link and then simply click on copy link. And then you can basically send this to anyone. So now we have the link. We can share this on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, email, Gmail, anything you possibly want. Then simply click on enter, and then this is how it would look like. Then the person can download it over here. So that is the second way in order to do this. So that is how to share big video files online.